Forget everything you thought you knew about chatbots because Grok, the AI with an attitude, just learned how to paint. This is Grok Imagine. And in the next few minutes, I'm not just going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you if it's a legitimate threat to the other AI big shots like DeepSeek or Imagine 4.0 from Gemini, or it's just a new fun toy on X. No fluff, no filler, let's get straight into it. Alright, first things first, how to even get this? Right now, Grok's Imagine is available for a limited time for free users. Still, you can use it. That's the great part. All you have to do is to come to website, come to the, just download the app, just download the X, aka Twitter, from Play Store or App Store, or simply come to this website. As simple as that. After that, you will find the option here Grok, and after clicking there, simply click on the create image, and that's the gate you have to go through. If you have it, you'll see the Grok icon right here in your sidebar. Now the magic part. There is no special command you need to remember. You literally just ask for an image. It's conversational. Watch it. And just simply give it a prompt. Imagine a photorealistic image of a golden retriever puppy discovering a magical glowing mushroom. Very simple. No cinematic direction, no lighting effect, nothing. And yeah, as simple as that. The key prompt is simply starting with Imagine or Grok. Grok understands the context. You hit enter and it gets to work. The image generates in real time the final high quality image of a puppy. The interface is the chat window, to be honest. That's it. Super simple. And honestly, the convenience factor is a 10 out of 10. You're already scrolling on X. You're simply scrolling on Twitter or X, and you find an idea and you can create it right there. Okay. So it can make a cute puppy. Not a big deal. Let's see what it really made. The quality of an AI image tool comes down how well it understands detailed prompts. So let's level up that same prompt. We're going from simple to cinematic. And to be honest, if you want to actually test an AI image generator or video generator, we'll have to go through the as possible. Now I can say it's generated something. How about we give the same prompt to the Grok 4 fast? Let's see. Maybe it will take a few moments, which is way nor nah. Grok 4 fast was way more worse than the fast version. How about we go to the expo? Let's see. It's a bit test. I think it cannot generate the video. Nah, fast was way better, to be honest. For me, I thought fast, I think fast. See the difference? Specificity is your best friend. Use terms like cinematic, photorealistic, watercolor, and describe the lighting and camera angle. Shallow depth of field, dramatic backlighting. It understands this. So let's try another prompt. Imagine a scene that would make a corporate HR nervous. The image generates, it might be something like office workers having a rave around watercolor. Okay, it's interpreted the vibe of the prompt, not just a literal words. This huge different theater from most sterile models. It feels less like a tool and more like a creative partner. But what about the weaknesses? The classic AI fails. Let's try hand and text. Imagine the prompt is imagine a close up person's hand holding up with the resulting image. And there it is. The hands getting better, but still a little wonky. It's the classic AI weak spot, to be honest. Let's see what it can make with this prompt. Welcome to the feature was, to be honest, text is also a no-go. Like most image generators, it struggles to spell. Although it has not made any mistakes on writing the welcome to the feature. So for logos or anything with words, you're still better off in, Photoshop. So the $1,000,000 question is it a C dream or Imagine 4.0 killer? Let's test out. So the images right you are watching right now generated with the same prompt. And let's be blunt. For pure artistic quality, and granular control. I'll probably give the Sea Dream the undisputed champion. The level of detail, coherence, the stylic flexibility is just on another level. On the other hand, Imagine is also fantastic for its integration and its ability to nail specific compositions. Grok Imagine's superpower is speed and context. It's built for the pace of social media. You have a funny idea, a meme format, or a quick concept, you can generate it instantly without leaving the app you're already in. It's for rapid, to be honest. So, here's the bottom line. Rock Imagine is an incredibly powerful and frankly fun feature. It's fantastic version 1 that trades top tier artistic power for unprecedented convenience and a bit of personality. Now you know I'm trying some new things on the channel, focusing on these shorter, high impact videos that get straight to the point. If you appreciate the no fluff approach, the single best way to let me know is to hit the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds, but it's a massive signal for me to make more videos like this one. And now I want to hear from you. Drop a creative prompt in the comment. I'll run the most liked prompt from comments through Grok Imagine and pin to the results. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next.